Okay, time for a room tour here at Sirin Villa Samed, and I'm in this villa right here, perched up on the hill. It's one of the first villas. There's one before me as you come down the steep hill, very steep sidewalk coming down the hill, and then the check-in office is right down there by those yellow umbrellas, and that's also where you have your daily buffet breakfast. So here's the villa. It's S1. I'm going to start with a couple negatives and then finish with a couple positives. So one negative that's pretty obvious is the building itself is dirty. The other buildings in the vicinity are not. They're all pretty nicely washed and clean. But as you can see, this is not a matte finish. This is actual soot on the side of the building, and it could use a wash, so it detracts from the overall aesthetics by being so dirty. Another negative is on both sides of the villa there is a garbage dump. So there's the garbage dump on this side with trash scattered around, and then through these little trees over here you can see the garbage dump over there off in the bushes. So my windows face both those directions, so my view is of the garbage dumps. The room itself is pretty nice. It is clean on the inside. It's got a big, huge king-size bed, which is pretty comfortable. Like I said, window on each side. It's got ice-cold air on the AC, a small desk with a lamp and a power outlet, and a great mini fridge. The mini fridge works really well, and I've got some things stored in there. And then the bathroom is modern and renovated. You can see the modern style toilet. Whoop, how's that seat coming off there? And modern vanity with mirror. However, the shower with these hot water on demand, they're not always piping hot. So this is just lukewarm on maximum setting. So you just turn this on here, turn that to maximum, and it's supposed to be piping hot, but it never really gets hot. So that's it of the room tour here at Sirin Villa Samed. And the last thing I wanted to point out, if you haven't already seen it, is this beautiful deck. Not sure exactly what kind of wood that is, but as you can see, it's a red toned, beautiful polished deck, and with these bench seats on the outside and a drying rack. Almost forgot about the drying rack. Okay, so you've got last thing is you've got a nice sea view through the woods, through the bushes and the trees, right down through the trees right there. So we'll see you down at the beach pretty soon.